Hi all and welcome back to the Scale Model Club. Today we shall unbox and review an icon, a legend, the E9 Batmobile, also known as the BMW 3.0 CSL. The racing heritage is clearly seen. It is the predecessor to today's Beamers that wear the M badge. What a classic styling! Let's unbox this beauty. This is an official licensed version made by Minichamps in scale 1:18. Let's move on to the exterior. The classic kidney-shaped grille that defines BMW. These headlights, classic round. The wipers are pretty wide along with the antenna. The flared wheel arches along with the 14-inch Alpina wheels makes this car look amazing. The boot space, the 3.2-liter 6-cylinder inline engine looks extremely detailed here. Fun fact, what is CSL? Coupe Sport Light. The aero package given here is also very detailed and just adds class to the car, along with a lot of speed. Let's move on to the interior. The wooden trim, the seats, the door panels with a wooden finish make this car look amazing. The pedals, the steering wheel, all give a lot of oomph to this car. Minichamps has done a fantastic job in detailing this car. I cannot say enough about how well this has been detailed. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. I hope all of you have liked this video. A special thanks to Sagar Mehta and Navneet Motors for providing us this model.